Now in the task list, we can see that many records do not have date assigned to them. Now this doesn't look good and also looks a bit confusing. Now what we want to do is to make it clear that the date has not been assigned and the record is not empty. We can display a message like not assigned whenever a date is missing. To achieve this, we will use the defaulting to operator. The defaulting to operator allows us to define a default value or a fallback value when any field or record is empty. Now to do this, we'll go into the editor and in the list where we are displaying the dates value, we will add the operator defaulting to next to the dates value, and then we will specify the value that we want it to default to, which in this case is not assigned. Now, as we come back to the page and see a list, we can see that every record that did not have the date assigned now displays not assigned. Now, as we see that the defaulting to operator is very important whenever we want to replace an empty value with something more informative and ensure that whenever there is an empty value, Bubble defaults to displaying the fallback value or the default to value that we have added. So this is how the defaulting to operator works. To learn about more operators, follow the Bubblingo operator series. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.